Hello everyone, it's me. I've gone live out there to the world of Facebook and Twitter and whatever. We're here at the Classic Motor Show 2016. I've got two cameras on me, so if I look at one and look at the other, it's because I've got two on me. Now, where am I? I'm at the MG Car Club stand, and I'm very pleased to be here. You know why? Because sitting on the stand proudly, I think I may have a customer for it already. Sitting on the stand proudly, you can hold out your hand, son. Got yourself a deal. Is my wonderful 1959 1600 MGA. Sorry, our. This is mine and Michelle's.
Mrs. B.
Mrs. B's as well. This is our MGA. We found this car in California, Huntington Beach, actually, California. Belonged to a dear old guy called Jim. We shipped it over to England, and now the big question here is at the stand, do we restore it or do we keep it? I'll be honest with you, I'm not a fan of yellow cars. Originally, this car has been painted once or twice in its life, primrose yellow. So is it right to paint it again? I think so, but I'm leaving that decision up to the people that come and visit the MG Car Club. But the good news is, whatever happens, this car is now back where it should be. It's not too far from Abingdon in England. Okay, I've been told to walk down the car. It's not too far from Abingdon in England, where it was born, and now it's going to get all the attention and lavish attention it really deserves. And fortunately, we've got great people that come and visit this club, the MG Car Club, and they can come down and they can cast their vote on what we should do with the car. And you can see how nice it is. It's completely original, completely rust-free, and it's a wonderful thing. And if you get a chance, come and see us. Here at the NEC, you can come and find the car in Hall 4, or you can find me in Hall 5 on the live stage across the next few days. And I've even got my own stand here, Mike Brewer Motors, where I'm giving away a free car. So you can get yourself a mini 5-door diesel. All you need to do is turn up and type in a code on the internet. So if you're around, come and see us at the NEC, and come and see my wonderful MGA. Ta-da! Oh my God, I'm going to die today in terms of heat. That is, you've stopped.